If your pure enrichment heating pad is flashing an F error, not heating, or the controller seems dead, don't panic. In most cases, a full reset fixes the issue. Start by turning the unit off and unplugging it from the wall. If your model has a detachable controller, disconnect it from the pad as well. Then wait at least 10 to 15 minutes. This step is important because it allows the internal components to fully discharge and clears temporary faults. After waiting, firmly reconnect the controller to the pad, making sure the connector is fully seated. Plug the heating pad directly into a wall outlet, not a power strip or extension cord. Turn it back on and test the heat settings. This power cycle restores normal function in most situations. If the problem continues, check the power source. Try a different outlet to rule out electrical issues. Inspect the cord and connectors for fraying, bent pins, or looseness. Lay the pad completely flat. Folds or tight creases can interrupt internal wiring and trigger flashing errors. A blinking F usually signals a loose controller connection. If none of these steps work, contact Pure Enrichment support. Most models include a 5-year warranty for added protection.